Hello and welcome back to my another video. Smita with in front of you. Hope that all are having really good time. I'm having great time with Talon, and I know very well you want to speak English like a real native speaker, but you can't speak English. What is the actual problem, brother? You know each and everything. What type of thing actually we need to learn English? You know out and out. Even though you cannot speak English, what is the main problem you are facing day by day, every single day? The problem is your brain is not ready to deliver actually your lecture, to deliver your sentence. Your brain is not prepared. Your brain is not ready. That's why you have to feed your brain. And how can you feed your brain? And today in this video, I would like to share with you how you can actually feed your brain right way. Today in this video, I would like to say something about this thing. So let's get started. First of all, how you can feed your brain. There are lots of different kind of way actually you can feed your brain properly. But what is the best way? The best way is you have to listen. You have to listen. What kind of things you want to actually you want to pay for, you want to listen? It depends on you actually. I prefer motivational lecture. When I was actually started my English journey, I used to listen lots of motivational lecture. That's why I can understand actually English. Those who are regular native speaker, and when they are speaking English, and I understand out and out, and what they are saying, I understand out and out because of listening. Listening part is the most important of your journey. If you really want to speak English, if you really want to achieve something, especially English, you have to listen a lot. Without listening, it's not going to possible. Brother, you know a sentence very well. Every good listener is a good speaker. That's why you should listen always. It depends on your time actually, and how you can learn English. This is the authentic way, this is the real way. And I have asked so many brother, what is the best way to learn English? Maximum teacher and maximum elder brothers, they gave me suggestion. Brother, you have to listen. You have to listen always. Listening is the best way to improve your English. That's why you have to listen. And I hope you got my point. I hope you got my point properly. So see you some another video. All the best.